Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here, we present a meticulous step-by-step guide for users. Let's begin with the process of creating a new user account. Click Go to EEZBOOK. Click to Control Panel. To select Setup. System Setup. To select User Management. Select User. The open window will display all added users. If a user wants to add a new user, they can click on the Add New tab. Type first name of adding new user. Write the last name of adding new year. Please enter your password. It must be a minimum of 8 characters long and include at least one special character. Retype password. If a user wishes to add a new avatar, they can first select the icon and then choose from the options available on their system. Please enter the new email address. The email ID must be unique. If a user attempts to add an email address that already exists, the new user will not be able to be selected. Write new user contact number. Select user access. To select employee. To select branch. To select store. If a user wants to change the working period, they can navigate to this tab and select working year period month of year, and select the payroll year. Added user information will be listed down.